explore and reflect. The program intends to improve conceptual understanding and develops scientific temper among students by providing hands-on experiments to youth. We believe that every child has a unique and infinite potential, and we are committed to help them reach their true self. Brain Cafe believes that learning by doing to come over to the venue for the zonal level budding scientist contest. Now, I would like to call Mr. Santosh.
In 2009, he was designated as a Master's Resource Person at Birla Planetarium, Chennai. He acted as Principal Science Investigator of various projects of AP State Council of Science and Technology and Department of Science and Technology, India. He was the National Coordinator for NASA's outreach project, which is called Scientists for a Day. And he is a member of international, able to see Mr. Raghunandan Kumar Garu in TVs frequently. Whenever a celestial event happens in the sky, okay, the TV channels will call Raghunandan Kumar Garu to speak about it. Okay, you will be seeing him not only in state, visited NASA or visiting NASA since 2003. His students have launched a satellite with the help of ISRO in 2011. And he has been state level jury of. Sir, we feel it is our pleasure to have you as a judge for our zonal level contest. And now I call upon Rubina to present a bouquet to Mr. Raghunandan Kumar Garu.
Okay, sir.
Okay, who is having 3 master degrees to his credit. No, he done his masters in physics from Acharya Nagarjuna University, Andhra Pradesh, for our zonal level Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Contest 2012. Now I call upon Nazia, Brain Cafe Coach Hyderabad, to present the bouquet to Mr. Bhuvanagiri Fani Kumar Garu. Now it's time to introduce the other judge we have over here. It's Narasimhamurthy Garu, who holds a master degree in nuclear science from Andhra University and PGDCA from Alagappa University, Tamil Nadu. He is working as a lecturer in. We have here Dr. Jeevan Srivastava Garu, who is our mentor Brain Cafe. So one is in marketing. Okay. So I call upon Nalini Garu to present bouquet to our mentor Dr. Jeevan Srivastava Garu.
Good morning one and all, good morning to the judges. So these are the parameters of the concept used or scientific principle behind the model. The third parameter is type of the material used. It is given because to encourage the participants to have as much as less cost materials. And the fourth parameter is viva with judges. The fifth parameter is presentation, and all these parameters will have equal weightage. So
what is that? Explain about it.
Fish that float and sink.
Float and? What is the name of your project?
Fish that float and sink.
Fish that float and sink.
Why is it singing? Okay, why? How? Where is the home?
Fish that float and.
Which class you are studying?
Float and sink.
5 kilometers. Where?
Sai grammar.
Opposite to some
Academy opposite.
you are pressing it, so it's coming down.
And fish. Only fish.
Okay, there's a metal nut.
But that is not fish, no. You are saying fish. ఫిష్ అనేది చేస్తారు చెప్పండి ఎందుకు ఇంకేమైనా చెప్తారా వీ లైక్ టు టెల్ us something else no that's all only show and go ఇది ఎక్కడైనా అప్లై చేస్తున్నారా ఎక్కడైనా అప్లై అవుతుందా ఇక్కడ అంటే ఇందులో చేస్తావు కదా ఎక్కడైనా అప్లై చేస్తారా ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఎంప్లాయ్ ఉందో ఇది అలా పోతుంది కదా సేమ్ ఇది ఎక్కడైనా వాడు ఆర్ దే యూజింగ్ ఇట్ సమ్వేర్ నో ఎవరు ఇచ్చారు నీకు ఈ ఐడియా సరే నీకు రాలేదా ఐడియా సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ magnetic windmill jumping man
Don't put hands. Show me what exactly you can do there.
The magnets are being pressed means it will come out. Why? Because it have reflective force.
Keeping light poles together. How are those poles?
Same force.
Same poles.
That's why it is coming there.
why
Why? Because it is reflective force.
What is this?
Magnetic force.
Same. Then what is this one?
Magnetic
can you show how it is so if I remove it will it move
No, on upside like fan.
can so can you show that whether it's working did it work at your home
Yes, sir.
okay then the switch
So
on
much fast.
you have to try to close the main no I will do it no it's not going so will it go in very fast way?
Yes.
Where is this magnet used? Are these magnets used anywhere?
No, sir.
No. You asked yourself. Good idea, good application. Okay. What is your name? M. Lahari. What is the name of your project?
She always wants to be
She wants only brain cave classes.
She always wants only brain cavity classes.
Who is she? Is it Larry? Once
No, don't fold your hands. Tell me what is your project.
brain cave.
This girl always wants to go to one sun action color and blow.
Where is the magnet? Inside it is. Okay. Why it is moving? Is it moving?
Because magnet is there, she is sitting there. Brain cave class.
This girl telling me here also I can. Always
You just want to
What about
measure
the
the range
dolls?
of a class.
So other dolls are there. No, why you are giving the other two dolls?
teachers.
Teachers. That is teacher. This is?
Teacher.
Okay.
Teacher should be small, no? The student should be small. No? Why teacher is like
What is the principle involved there?
What's
Why she is attracted toward that side only?
I get the magnet.
So if you kept a magnet, what it makes the difference? Yeah, why
Only
the
one magnet is there?
magnet?
Only one magnet is there?
Do you know the property of magnet? What a magnet is does?
Now instead of magnet, if I put this thing, will it still do like that? Why? What is the difference? Why if I put this, why it is not moving? Why? Did you understand that way? There is a difference, no? Magnet పెడితే ఏమవుతుంది? What is happening if magnet is kept? Magnet పెడితే ఏమవుతుంది?
Why is it always turning that side?
Excellent,
Tell
excellent,
that.
excellent.
See, you should
Yes,
see
now.
whatever you know. You should tell to the judges. Otherwise,
You think that you don't know. Or it is a
Good, good. The North Pole attracts? No, why? In Brain Cafe class, which pole is there?
Not.
North Pole repels. There is a South Pole. That's why North Pole is attracted toward that. Your friend is saying, these are two like poles. That's why they repel each other. The same principle, but in different manner. Okay? You should know. Okay. Thank you. Nice to hear this.
Which class?
What is your name?
Fourth CSE and section A and this school is my name is Nisha.
Good.
Nisha.
So show me what is your project.
My project is magnetic the force. Not as a magnetic force which other planets do not have. And each particle with mass attracts another particle and with a particular force called the gravitational force, objects with more mass have a higher gravitational force, so friction and magnetic and gravity. There are also one forces and the scientific Newton was the who learned about without any gravity we cannot live. We just
Who said like that?
Huh?
Who said? Who said like that? Without
Scientist.
gravity.
What? Which scientist? You said scientist. Now, what is the name
You
of
are
the
saying
scientist?
scientist. You are saying. Who is the scientist?
Isaac Newton.
And
You said that.
mass means weight.
Yeah.
With more mass have the higher gravitational force.
Okay.
And objects with low mass have lower gravitational force. We cannot see gravity.
Very good. Good.
Good.
Nishan did not say anything. Only Isaac Newton said everything. What does Nishan say?
Can you move without gravity?
Means without gravity, for example, in moon, we will go.
Fly.
we'll have to jump.
Why? Because there is no gravity. Excellent.
But did you go to moon? How do you know about moon? You didn't go. You are telling us you've gone there.
In a rainy day, you will slip out. Why? If you run fast, or in a wet area, you will slip. You will fall down. Why?
Because we cannot see. We will run, and that's why in this step we will not see. And
Okay. Why? Which friction? You said some forces are
Some
there.
forces are there. Friction force you said.
Friction force. There the friction.
because, for example, we will take one finger and we will rub like this, and it is not moving. Only it is moving, but it is not stopping. That's what.
Yes. Okay.
Excellent. Excellent.
Plus,
Name?
Shishank.
ఇది బీనా సీనా మొత్తం బీనేనా
Which class?
ఇదంతా B కదా?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ బి నుంచి ఎంత ఎన్ని
Nano
select
Model
అవుతాయి?
School. Where it is?
దిశాన్
Muda. No.
So, priority చూసుకోవాలి.
GSA, Bangalore. Nagol. Very good.
గ్రానా
Nagol, Bangalore.
What is your name?
Shishank.
What's the name of your project? Name of your project? Project name?
Healthy farming, waste management.
Healthy farming.
Waste management.
వాళ్ళు అడగారు knows it or not. This what happened to this 8 no, it's not.
Can you explain? Yes, please.
Good morning to all. My name is Pendu Shashank Naidu. I am from Home Class of Excellence. I am studying in third class. Theme my project is farming waste management. Healthy farming waste management. Topic: recycle, reproduce, reduce, reuse. Nature is God's gift, which provides us nature. Which provides us primary needs like food, clothes, and shelter. If we recycle the garbage, it will become like compost.
Okay, you are having that class. I didn't see that.
We can make compost bed. If we reproduce compost bed, vermicompost prepared. If we reuse the vermicompost, compost is ready for kitchen garden. Grows healthy plants, healthy vegetables, healthy family, healthy nature.
And healthy Shashank also.
But you are saying vermicompost. What is vermicompost? Do you know? What is that photo is there, no? Hand. So what are they? What is that?
Compost, vermicompost.
Vermi means? No. You know it?
Vermi means healthy.
No? Not? Okay. What is this? Why you are keeping this up?
To attract pests and insects.
Okay. Marigold will attract?
Why you want to attract? You want
The
pests?
plants will not die. If the pests will come now, the pests will eat the plants.
Then they are dangerous, no? Pests should not come.
If the pest will come and fly on the vegetables, we will eat that and we will get sick.
Then why are you putting the flower? You are
If we
innovating.
put marigold will trap the insects. It will attract the insects more.
What do they?
Compost is made by, we have to dig a pit on the dry stems. On the dry stems, dry leaves. On the dry leaves, cow's dung. On the cow's dung, kitchen waste. We put sometime, it will become like compost, pure compost.
How automatically?
You are writing somewhere here. Garbage, come on, what is that? Here, last line. What is that?
Garbage, earthworms,
What is earthworm?
What is that one?
earthworms means it will make the compost very fast.
So what is that? Who is doing it? Earthworm is doing it. So you didn't tell about earthworm. Where is it? Do you have an earthworm with you? No.
So will you encourage it in your home? Only for the exhibition purpose.
Did you do in your home? How
Will
you
you ask your mom to keep those household wastage and prepare some? Do you have some land in your home to put some plants?
Balcony,
Balcony. In balcony you are having some
plants.
plants. Which plants?
Waste management.
But
Dry waste. Solid waste. Correct waste.
from the plants we will get vegetables.
Okay.
if you put plastic into this, will it also become into one compost?
No,
Why?
only decomposed when it has
Very good.
Then you are right.
Compost is good.
So we should encourage
waste
plastic.
management, healthy farming, major source of garbage. Vegetables and fruit markets, waste from there everywhere to garbage. If we recycle the garbage, we can get compost by preparation. All waste materials will be decomposed in the process for a period of 2 months. Garbage, earthworms, cow's dung, dry manure, green manure. Vermicompost prepared, no chemical components. Pure organic, eco-friendly, 1% nitrogen, 0.8% potash, 0.2% phosphorus. Reuse compost is ready for kitchen garden.
Good. Great job. So you did all these things. Can I help from anyone? Because this is
You did or mommy did? Who did this?
Mommy and I did both.
Both.
You eat all vegetables?
Huh?
You eat all vegetables?
Yes.
Which vegetable you like more?
Let's see that.
Where is it?
Why so?
big meal. It's cool. Good. Class.
What's your name? Abhignya.
Everybody. explain about how shadows are formed. When an opaque object comes in the way of light, shadows are placed in an object between a source of light such as torchlight or a candle in the wall.
What is this?
Star.
Star. What is this?
Rectangle.
What is this?
Square.
This?
Circle.
Tell me now. Where is the shadow? Show me again the shadow. With this one. Can I hold it? Hold it. Come here. Come over here. Very good. And what about this shadow? Why there are two different? Are they different or same?
Different.
Why? Right. So this shape and this shape, are they